First create the window, then search for a transparent sprite sheet. If you find one that you like, but it is not transparent, you can open an image editor, in my case Photoshop, and clearing the background. To make everything tidy, let's create a sprite sheet class that will contain a max number of frames, a texture, frame width and height, and the current frame. In the render method we will advance the frame by 1, and reset if it reached max, and we are going to use this method to draw the thing to the screen. It calls the draw texture rectangle that takes a texture in the sprite rectangle and cuts the original texture into a sprite, and a vector 2 for the position intent. Now if we go back to the main method we can create sprite sheet objects with some data, and render at every frame. And it works.